Okay, and we are live on Facebook, starting live broadcast, and we are live on Insta. How does it get any better than? And somebody's hiding. How does it get any better? You're not there in any of the Insta or there. Okay. So, guys, today is the 28th July 2024. And we are at a Sunday Fun Aging call. Woo! How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? All the DJCCs and all the best juniors that we all function from. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate? Let them go. Right now for all eternity. Right? If it's light. If it isn't, hold on to it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, all nice shots, boys, provides, and beyond. So, what's the topic today? Somebody suggested, though we've done it many times, but it's always beautiful to do this topic. I love it. Choice. I didn't know I had choice. I didn't know I could be different.
Good topic.
I didn't even know my choice mattered. There was always opposition. There was always somebody to judge. And it wasn't familiar to me when I came to Access it. And they said, hey, you always have a choice. I might not have chosen what everybody wanted me to choose, but I was guilty. Whenever I chose for myself, whenever I went out of the norms, I was guilty. I wasn't at ease. Today I'm at ease. I might have chosen things, rebelled against, but they weren't easy choice. They came with consequences. Not fun at all. The whole world opened up for me, to me, for me, when I chose Access Consciousness. Most of you, both of you would relate to it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So tell me about choice, Manisha.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि चॉइस मीन्स पहले डिसाइड करना मन में कि ये मुझे करना है या नहीं करना एंड फिर एक्शन लेना.
Really? So sweet, dear darling. Choice पहले कैसे डिसाइड करते हो? Wrong है कि right है कि good है कि bad है? What if choice was just like this? Yes! You didn't have to decide. And if it didn't work, then you ask a question. No, you say, yes, and then you ask a question. Yeah, this seems awesome. This is so light. Hey, if I choose this, what would my life look like in 5 years? If I don't choose it, what would my life look like in? And then make a choice. Decision is judgment. Everywhere you've judged yourself and chosen what's right and wrong or good or bad according to this reality is not a choice. That is what everybody is telling you to choose, not to choose. Your receiving can start to open up. You can ask and you shall receive. I have listened to all my life. Started to become a reality in my life after coming to Access. Oh, it is that easy. Just ask. Just because it's fun, just because no other reason, no justification for choice. At my age, life finishes for many people. And it took a beautiful turn, allowing me to live, to make a choice, to choose whatever is fun and works for me. Not that I'm there anywhere, not that I've been able to choose everything, but the world is open to me. It's my choice now. I want to, I don't want to. How many pock and poddings are required for me to be totally free to make a choice that is fun for me? Are you willing to open doors that you don't even know exist? Never thought of opening, even when you were aware of them. Manisha? मैंने
हाँ,
आप
इसीलिए मैंने ये ऐसा बोला कि चॉइस के ऊपर आपसे कुछ मिलेगा, क्योंकि मुझे देखो ना, कैन आई से समथिंग,
go
कि
for
मैंने
it.
मन में डिसाइड किया कि इस जगह पे जाना है, एंड बाद में चॉइस किया, या पहले चॉइस होता है, ये दैट्स व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग, कि
आप
मैंने तय किया कि मुझे बम्बई जाना है अभी,
तय किया
कुछ
और कौन
हाँ
से
कुछ काम है,
कौन से बेसिस पे, कौन से ग्राउंड्स में, क्या आपके दिमाग में आया कि आपने डिसाइड किया कि आपने बॉम्बे जाना है?
हाँ कुछ काम के लिए जाना है, तो
अच्छा,
पहले दिमाग में डिसीजन होता है या हम ऐसे ही चूज करते हैं। और एक बात, मैं हमेशा खुद को रॉन्ग ये करती हूँ कि मैंने 40 साल पहले ये डिसीजन लिया, ये चूज किया, और आई एम सफरिंग फॉर दैट।
अच्छा,
तो
वेरी क्वेश्चन। कोई, जो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है, कोई भी चीज, ये काम करना है, उसके लिए बॉम्बे जाना पड़ेगा। अब मैं जाऊं, अब मैं ना जाऊं, होगा नहीं होगा, मैं अपने आप को रॉन्ग बनाऊंगी, नहीं होगा, इतना पैसा खर्च हो जाएगा, क्या इतना टाइम कहाँ रहेंगे, क्या, ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर कंक्लूजन्स, दे आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ आवर हेड from the bringing up that we have had. But the moment you say, hey, would it be fun to go to Bombay? Hey, do I require to go? Universe, is it necessary for me to go there? Will it create greater? Will it be rewarding? Will it be fun? What I would like this. If I go to Bombay, will this be achieved? Will I get what I'm desiring to have? When you ask these questions, you get the lightness of it or the heaviness of it. Heaviness means, hold on, ask a few more questions. Never, ever, ever, never, ever decide कि हाँ, अभी इस वक्त लाइट है, ओके, हाय गीता, अभी इस वक्त लाइट है, ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट प्लानिंग। ऐसे हो, चलो फिर वहां, every time that planning has to be from question. Oh, what date would be perfect for it? Where would I like to stay? Body, where would you like to stay? Can we arrange something for ourselves where we'd like to stay? And then what pops up, auntie or uncle or this or room or whatever? Oh, that popped up. Will it be fun going and staying with them? Will it be rewarding? Will they be grateful? Will I be grateful? Will it work out? And okay, now let me know. And then this date, oh, will the person that I am looking for will be there, or whatever you're looking for. Every moment you have to ask a question. You can never ever allow yourself, it's not a luxury we have after coming to Access, to allow ourselves ki hoga nahi, kya nahi hoga, maine galat kar diya. You did not ask for clarity. You decided मैं बॉम्बे जा रही हूँ, ये काम करूंगी, ऐसे करूंगी, वैसे नहीं करूंगी, और वो फिर नहीं हुआ because it was your, you did not include the whole universe. You did not ask the molecules of your body, of everything around, will it be fun? Will it be joyful? Would we be able to do everything? You cannot get out of question.
Okay, thank you.
And then when you make a choice, it is only good for 10 seconds. It didn't work. Okay, sorry, no ways. Okay, now what? It's so adventurous. Hi, Rupal. It is so adventurous after coming to Access, so exciting, full of joy, meaningful to have fun in every now moment. You become present to what else is possible. ये डिसाइड किया मैं जा रही हूँ बस, अब सब आंखें के बंद, अब वो उस तरफ चल पड़े और हैवीनेस भी हो रहा है. उस वक्त लाइट था, अब कुछ और चीज के लिए हैवी हो सकता है. क्या है क्या नहीं है, मैं क्या पूछना है, ये क्या है, व्हाट इज दिस हैवीनेस इन एवरी मोमेंट. वी आर नॉट विलिंग. You decide one, we ask one question, lightness, we get lightness, and then we decide we have to do this, and then we go for it. What next? A different possibility presents itself. Now what will we do? Am I making any sense, Manisha?
Yes, I got it. I have to be in question.
24/7.
Decide नहीं करना.
Never decide. Do what you love doing. You have to keep choosing to find in that moment. Not my find kar liya, this is it. Now I have the choice and now the whole life will be perfect. Everything will get done because it is light. This moment it's light. This choice is light. Now the next choice. Maybe it's not, it is not easy. I'm not saying it's easy because we are so good at going by default to make ourselves wrong and the world wrong. But it can be fun. Choice is not what we think it is. अगर आपको पता हो कि ये okay, I have choice. ये पता होना बहुत जरूरी है कि मेरे को चॉइस हर मोमेंट में है. और जो भी कोई ब्लेम कर रहा है वो अपनी हिसाब से, अपनी कहानी से, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन देयर लाइफ, व्हाट इज देयर पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यूज डिसाइड करता है. इट्स गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद यू. There are no boundaries, no. It's a wild world. You can choose anything. It doesn't work, change it. Play with it. Your choice creates everything. You choose, it starts to create something. Something that you love, go for it. Ask another question, go forward. Something that's is not working, ask another question. Hey, okay, if this not, then what? Do I have another choice? Is there another possibility? When you recognize that you create everything, you can change anything. There's so many questions that you can ask. What choice can I make? अगर कोई चीज नहीं, what choice did I make that created this? You're trying to change. Hi, Kavi. You're trying to change things and they're not changing. You can ask, what choice did I make that created this, and it keeps existing? And pock and pot everything. Every time something shows up that you do not desire in your life, and you want to create a reality beyond this reality, ask a question. Okay, I have a question for you guys. How many of you are trying to make the right choice? Like Manisha has just said. No, there's no right choice. What future would you like to have? Where would you like to go? What day would you like to have? If you would want to have a joyful, having fun day, what choices would you make? Would you sit and crib? Would you find faults? Would you make blame people? No, you will go for what you want. When you start choosing from the joy of it, not from the judgment of it, right, wrong, good, bad, start choosing for little things.
यस, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। किसी ने मुझे बताया कि ये एक मोडालिटी है एक्सेस करके, तो मैंने चूज किया कि देखते तो है क्या है। एंड मुझे इतना सारा मिला, सो आई अंडरस्टूड, थोड़ा सा समझ में आया कि व्हाट इज चॉइस। थोड़ा, पूरा नहीं। सो थैंक यू।
मुझे भी नहीं आया पूरा, और पूरा आएगा ही नहीं है। गैरी डीन को भी नहीं आता, और दे कीप फाइंडिंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स एवरी टाइम। हर चॉइस अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करती है, रॉन्ग नहीं होती। आपने वो चॉइस नहीं की होती तो आपको नहीं पता लगता कि ये काम नहीं कर रही। एवरी चॉइस क्रिएट्स अवेयरनेस। If you want to create beyond this reality, you have to choose and keep choosing. Hi, Pradhaman. Hi, Angela. Lovely to have you guys here. Thank you for showing up. The topic today is choice. Choice is the knowing that you have a choice. Choice is always there. You didn't know. We didn't know. Choice, knowing that we have a choice, is the beginning of a different reality. It was for me. There is no correct way, perfect way to make a choice. जो कुछ आज तक आपकी जिंदगी में है, हो रहा है, वो आपने जो चॉइसेस बनाई हैं उसकी बना पे है। Just think about that for a second. You can choose. You can choose to create your future. You can choose the reality you desire. Anything is possible with the power of choice that we gave up, that we didn't think we had. It's not like, please choose wisely. What is wisely? Choose with, I would say, choose with communion with the universe. Choose from the lightness of things. Choose from question. Choose from being conscious. You're unconscious when you're choosing from right, wrong, good, bad. You're choosing from somebody else's reality when you're choosing from aunt ने कहा, मम्मा ने कहा, दादी ने कहा, टीचर ने कहा. If you are choosing a conscious living, if you are choosing a happy, joyous life, then all your choices will automatically be those. How important is your relationship with consciousness? Or you give up consciousness at the drop of the hat and you do what everybody else wants you to do. In Access, hi Mehak. Lovely to have you here.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. The topic is choice.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Access
so
is the
much.
only modality which has defined consciousness. It was like, wow. I can actually get out of judgment. I can actually start to like myself and others. The journey is like roller coaster, not a roller coaster, ups and downs. It's, it's becoming more up and up. We are all joyful. We were all joyful kids. Where did we lose it? We started to make, hey, we have a girl here whose birthday is today. Let's wish her. It's Param's birthday today. That's why I'm decked up.
Wow, I was about to say. ऐसा मतलब wow, lovely.
Day to you.
Thank
Oh,
you.
happy birthday,
Thank you.
Punam ji.
आपके चेहरे दिखाने पड़ेंगे. अच्छा नहीं.
I know. Oh, unmute yourself and show your shackles, please.
And please sing a song.
I know. See, no birthday girl ever demands that. And I'm proud of her. किसको गाना आता है? एक निपी को गाना आता है. निपी गा.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to
to
you.
you.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
dear
dear
Param.
Param.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you. So lovely. Thank you. Manisha got a voice like me, Manisha. Lovely. Bye. Lovely, everybody.
Hi
Thank you.
Param, happy birthday. I missed the song.
Thank you.
मैं
अच्छा फिर
तो
गाना
mute पे था, मैं वैसे ही गाती रही. Behind
ऐसे ही होता
thinking कि
चलो ऐसे ही होता है पल भर के लिए अनकॉन्शियसनेस फाइन
हाँ हाँ वो होता है ना मीटिंग डिस्टर्ब ना हो जाए.
थैंक यू
So
थैंक
have a good blessed day.
या सी यू सून
Yeah, yeah. Why not?
कमल तो बहुत सोहनी लग रही है थैंक यू
Thank you, thank you,
साथ
thank you. मैंने सोना
कमल
नहीं था, मेरी बहन, मेरी फ्रेंड का बर्थडे है.
Kamal is all set for the occasion.
या
Set on the occasion and on a different link.
सेट टू गो लवली
Yes.
That's enough.
थैंक यू
दूजे ते प्रेशर पाता सोने बनन दा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल यही तो हमारा काम है. सारी
Take the
डालते
take the
रहे.
challenge. Gita, take the challenge.
Yes, please.
Another pressure.
सी कमल्स दैट वेरी नाइस
I create that, not the challenge. I create that.
You have to choice.
या
Great.
So the way
Great.
the way we create ourselves is according to what others need of us, their expectations. What do you need? Because at the age 50, 60, 40, whenever you get enlightened, you realize, what am I doing? Where am I? And how did I get to this point where I don't matter at all? Where have I been making myself selfish?
टॉपिक फॉर टुडे
Choice.
I did tell God today when I get up in the morning, thank you for choosing me. Can you believe it? Bringing me on this planet for the first time.
Bilkul. Why? Yes. Beautiful. So anybody has any question about choice? Hi, Angela. Thank you. Angela's here. Now we might have some questions.
थैंक यू. वहां ना मजा नहीं आ रहा था इंस्टाग्राम पे.
This is home.
या आई वाज लाइक ये क्या चीज है. नहीं नहीं, इट वाज जस्ट एन एक्सपेरिमेंट कि चलो आज मैं भी इंस्टाग्राम से ज्वाइन करती हूँ. नहीं 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 नहीं, नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी.
तो क्या हुआ? आपको तो आना था आज.
हाँ मैंने आना तो था, बस बन नहीं पाया प्लान.
Okay. So anybody has any question on choice? give everybody else what they want. When are you going to start to give yourself what you want?
हम कौन?
I'm gone. This is such a different space to live from.
Kamal, you have said, like when Manisha was sharing, ki if you have make one choice and for next moment you feel it is not light, then you have another ask the question and make another choice, right?
Hmm.
But this sort of thing, if you are in this chain, then it's okay. Otherwise, it creates a lot of pressure, doubt, making yourself wrong again.
Doubt, if you know that it's light and you're asking questions, will you be in doubt?
You're absolutely right. But the thing is, is this a fraction of moment? If you are not putting question at that moment, then this slip is already there.
So you're functioning from unconsciousness. You're not present. You're functioning from your old ways. I know it's not easy. It's tough. This pressure is there. I know the consequences will be coming that you don't like. अभी choose किया, अभी छोड़ दिया. ये तो मेरे को तो सारी जिंदगी सुनना पड़ा है. ये तो कहीं टिक के बैठती नहीं है. ये तो कभी ये मोडालिटी, कभी वो मोडालिटी. उससे पहले भी कभी ये, कभी वो. कोई गेम स्कूल में नहीं थी जो मैंने ट्राई नहीं करी होगी. बैडमिंटन, फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल. A humanoid cannot be satisfied with one thing. And we make ourselves wrong for that. बिजनेस कितने किए, काम कितने किए मैंने. स्कूल में भी पढ़ाया, ऑफिस में भी काम किया है, पब्लिसिटी एग्जीक्यूटिव का भी काम किया, चीजें भी बेची. थिंक ऑफ थिंग्स आई हैवंट सोल्ड एंड स्टिल people were always saying things कि इतना इन्वेस्ट करा हुआ है इसमें, ये इसने करा हुआ है, ये अभी तक करती हूँ.
Which office you work, Kamal?
एग्जीबिशन करने आई थी लेडी, सोप्स और a friend of ours, soaps and candles, and कहती है रखोगे यहाँ पे. मैं क्या रख लेती हूँ. उसने कहा इतने 1000 रुपए बन गए. मेरे इतनी हिम्मत नहीं पड़ी उसको बोलने के लिए कि बिकेंगे तो तेरे को दे दूंगी. मैंने उसको फट पैसे पकड़ा दिए. Bought all of them. So I still do it, and people say it's stupid, silly choices. Maybe it is. Angela has her hand up. Yes, Angela.
तो कमल एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सी अवेयरनेस आई कि अगर हम चॉइसेस नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज वी आर डायनामिक, डजंट आवर लाइफ बिकम स्टैटिक. और ये तो हम एक्सेस में आके बोल रहे हैं चॉइस चॉइस चॉइस, बट वी आर ऑलरेडी मेकिंग चॉइसेस एवरी सेकेंड,
Every second.
even if it is working for us or not working us, but it is a choice.
Yeah.
So where have we made this word so significant? We are choosing or we are not choosing, but any which ways we are choosing because we are living beings.
Of course, we are choosing all the time choices, and that's what we create. But what we create, we make wrong if it doesn't work for you according to what you have thought it is going to work. Rather than looking at it, wow, I got this awareness from it. This is what I don't like. Why would I choose this again? At this moment, I don't want to choose. Maybe I don't even fix yourself. अगर इसे कभी नहीं choose करूंगी. This moment it did not work. How much fun can you have? We try to find the value of every choice. And we cannot see the value because we've decided this is the value I desire. Value is the awareness that you got from it. In this reality, we are only valuable if we are making right choices according to this reality. If you're following your reality and having your reality and choosing what is fun for you and creating what you desire in your life, then you would not look at other people.
So when we make it everything about us, actually, then life becomes very simple. क्योंकि हम चॉइस भी जो कर रहे हैं अगर हमारे लिए काम कर रही है इट इज ओके, अदरवाइज मूव ऑन। लेकिन जब हम फिक्सेटेड होते हैं फॉर द रिजल्ट्स और हम फिक्सेटेड होते हैं फॉर द वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम पीपल, then it is not choice, then we are making others happy.
Yeah, exactly. So when you make a choice, are you making it from question? What is your basis for making a choice? इसको खुश होएगी, इसको अच्छा लगेगा, इसको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, मुझे पैसे मिलेंगे, मैं आगे। How much fun can I have choosing it? I can choose something else.
पीछे आगे दोनों जगह।
If you are looking to be valued by others, good luck. You will always diminish yourself. You're not going to get that from anybody. Start valuing you. मिस्टेक तो है ही नहीं दुनिया में। जो भी बात नहीं हुई, काम करी, वो अवेयरनेस दे गई। What is actually really true? Live from few questions every day. What is actually really true for me? What would be fun for me? What would create greater? What will be rewarding? How much fun can I have? These questions are not based on what is going to show up the consequences. They are based on, they're open-ending question. You're including the whole universe in you. You're in sync with it, working in communion with it, and playing. There's no defined path. There is no expectation. Every moment, every choice is creating. And somebody was saying something? Rupal, were you saying something?
No.
Okay. What am I choosing? Is it true for me? We have got to start where we are. Your life is today, this moment. You're creating it with every choice you make. If you're making every choice from that point of when you're functioning from conscious, present being, you know what the information you're getting in your body. And you're following that. You're being yourself. Otherwise, you are functioning from victim, being a victim. All the reasons and justifications why I can't have what I want, desire what I want, why it doesn't work for me, will it work for me, will it not work for me? Those are those limited, your knowing is so limited कि इसका क्या फायदा होगा मुझे. You don't even know. If you have an open ending, you don't even know कि इस choice क्या create करेगी. You only know it's light, it's got to create something beautiful. वो कहते हैं ना, बार्स मैनुअल में ही है, एनीथिंग दैट इज लाइट विल क्रिएट lightness. Actually, we require to be the choice in which to choose, not to be the effect of anything. जैसे मनीषा ने बोला था, how judgment works. If you are having a conversation with somebody or even in your head, और आपको कोई अवेयरनेस आ रही है कि ये लाइट है, ये वर्क करेगा, rather than asking a question, we go into right, wrong, good, bad, the result, the consequences. and we kill it. We kill the joy that choice brought in you. Yes. And you try to make yourself wrong. Try to make others wrong. Try to make the choice wrong. It is already giving you information. Your body is receiving the information. If you're present with it, you would know this will work, this will not work. And most of the times we know, like Angela said, it's not something new that you're learning here. Or most of the time you're choosing. You go to buy clothes and you choose something that pops up, that's light. You might see 20 other or 100 other pieces, but you will go to that because that gives you joy, and you will, if you don't go to that and you listen to somebody else, you come and crib and say, oh, मेरे को तो पहले बार ही पता लग गया था कि वो लेना, फिर पता नहीं मैंने ये उसकी क्यों सुनी. Hasn't it happened with everybody? Then you try to make them wrong, make the clothes wrong, rather than always choosing from where what's working for you. Judgment occurs when you are attempting to make anything or anyone right or wrong. And there is total joy and freedom in the awareness that just popped up, in the awareness that your body received. Nothing is right or wrong, guys. You have unlimited choices. You are the source for creation. You created something that didn't work. Okay, fine. Now what? You're not allowed to. You don't have the luxury of making yourself wrong, ever. You have infinite choice, infinite possibilities. You will shun from choosing it for what reason? Playing with choices for what reason? If any of you are functioning from being a victim, stop it. You are not a victim. You never were. You chose to be because you did not trust yourself. You did not have honor, did not honor these 5 elements: trust, honor, vulnerability, allowance, and gratitude. You have these 5 elements for you. You'll never make yourself wrong.
बट कमल हमारे को ये 5 एलिमेंट्स तभी आएंगे इफ वी माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इफ वी वैल्यू आवरसेल्व्स. सो आज मुझे लग रहा है लाइफ कितनी सिंपल हो जाएगी अगर हम अपने आप को सिर्फ वैल्यू करना स्टार्ट कर दें एंड वी गो इनटू एक्सपेंशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट वी वी आर डूइंग. सिंपल चॉइस बनाने का तरीका कितना इजी हो जाएगा हम सबके लिए.
I know. And nobody else is going to create this for you. You are the only one who has to choose this. Such a gift it is to know that you are an infinite being and you have choice and you can choose to live your life the way you desire to have. It's not making somebody else wrong. It's not fighting. It's not rebelling, I've realized. I've done a lot of rebelling. It's such a gift to know that my choice created everything in my life. Now I can choose something different. We haven't really been taught how to choose, what to choose. No, Nobody has to teach you. Nobody gave you the freedom. Nobody in this reality gave us the freedom to choose. Everything had to be right. We are choose to navigate a right life and make choices from right and wrong. And we don't want to be wrong, because then we'll be judged. So I'm always going to make choices that are right. At what age did you decide that? So we are navigating our life from judgment, with judgment.
And come what may, I will stick to that choice. ये मैं बदलूंगी नहीं कभी.
बिल्कुल. ये लोग क्या कहेंगे? ये दर्द.
मनीषा, वो सिखाया हुआ है ना बचपन से, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. तो प्राण तो हम त्याग देंगे, पर हमने जो बोल दिया वो कमिटमेंट से नहीं जाएंगे, because commitment is so very important in this reality. Commitment to others is very important.
Commitment to others, not commitment to yourself. Responsibility of the choice is with us. So how would we like to shape our life? According to this reality or what we desire? You can do it. You can all your life. People live all their life. They don't even know they have another choice. We are lucky we know that there is another choice. Gary came to save us.
So grateful for him.
Holy crap. We have lived in a cocoon, in a comfortable zone. How comfortable we were, actually. We thought we were. We fooled ourselves. But I'm keeping this one happy, I'm doing this, I'm doing the right thing, then the world will be okay. And after some years, you realize the world is still the same. You are the one who's being pistoled. You twisted, turned, stapled, like Gary says, yourself, molded, but nothing changed. This world isn't ease, joy, glory to start with. When you start to follow access consciousness ways, even though all of you have known all this and sometimes chose it, sometimes didn't, but when I got total freedom, people actually, I don't know, the word is coming scary. But it was so exciting and so empowering to keep choosing it. To break walls, to be out. And know that I have a whole lot choice. Very difficult to give that path, that predetermined path to come to this infinite possibilities. Quite scary. Gary keeps saying choice is good for only 10 seconds. एक चॉइस बना ली और उसके मगर चलते रहे तो और तो सारा कुछ कट ऑफ कर दिया, अवेयरनेस कट ऑफ कर दी. वही चॉइस हैज बिकम सो पावरफुल दैट इट engulfs you and makes you wrong. All these are implanted points of views.
Can I say?
Yes, please go for it.
Yes, आपकी बातों से अभी एक ऐसी थॉट आई कि दूसरों की हायर पावर बनना मैंने काफी बंद किया है, काफी, पूरा नहीं. एंड लेकिन खुद की पावर अभी नहीं पहचान पाई, वो अभी चूज करूंगी।
वो रियली, क्योंकि आप दूसरों की जब पहचान से बाहर आने लगते हैं तो क्या वो ऑटोमेटिक नहीं है कि आप अपनी पहचान समझने लग रहे हैं?
यस, थोड़ा थोड़ा। नहीं तो कोई बुलाता है, मैं जाती हूँ, फिर दुखी होती हूँ, फिर वापस आती हूँ, ऐसा कम कम होता है। जाने से पहले पूछती हूँ, अभी याद आता है सब बातें आपकी क्लास की, कि आज जो आपने बोला 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ, 10 years फ्रॉम नाउ, एंड अगर लाइट लगा तो जाती हूँ।
Yeah, somebody's asked, how do we get to this infinite space where change and infinite choices becomes my reality? Every choice. It's not like यहाँ बैठे और आज वहां पहुंच गए. It's not one choice that rules. It's every small choice that you're making, every time you're thinking of you, every time you're asking, every time you're following the lightness, not the heaviness. You are choosing you, Manisha. Acknowledge that. You're not going, I have this work, I can't do this, I won't be able to do this. Every choice that you're making different. Oh, okay, I'll manage this. I can do this because it's light, because it's fun. You have chosen you. People, when they say, oh, बच्चे हैं, नहीं आ सकते, वो हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, काम नहीं हो रहा. There is something behind it. You don't want to go. You don't want to do it. That is you making excuses. The moment you want to go, you've decided you want to go, you want to choose its lightness, you will do anything to choose, make it possible. Even when you thought you didn't have any choice, even when the choice word was not in your reality, what you really wanted, you chose, you got it. People say money, कई चीज चाहिए, मनी नहीं होती में. जिस चीज को आपने कह दिया मुझे ये चाहिए, उसके लिए मनी आपने क्रिएट करी है. You already decided, yeah, I can't have that. Such, rest assured, you will not have it. Ask, what do I really want today? I've got just 10 seconds to live my life. What would I choose? What would I do? What if you really had 10 seconds? यही 10 सेकेंड है जो मेरे हैं. फिर अगले 10 सेकेंड फिर मेरे हैं. फिर अगले 10 सेकेंड फिर मेरे हैं. That is all there is. कल करेंगे, कल हमने सुना है, कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब. This is all that is there. Don't plan and plot. If you lived your life from this second as though there was no other, what would you choose? What have we created as valuable in our lives? That if it didn't, or you didn't have that, you'll have no reason to live. ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है तो मैं नहीं, क्या करोगे फिर? What are you unwilling to lose? What are you holding on to? What is so valuable to you? This moment, you. If you had you at the top of the list, and every moment you're making choice, you're connecting to 350,000 people. Is it even your choice? Whose choice are you choosing? Become more present with every choice you make. Become present with कि जो भी choice मैं कर रही हूँ मेरा future create कर रही है. What choice is available to me which will create a future that I desire? They'll pop up if you're living from question. Then you follow that. You navigate your life based on the energy, not on judgment. Oh, this is light. That is also not deciding. Oh, this is light. Okay, fine. Now or sometime. What would it create now if I chose this? What would it create in 5 years if I choose this? What would it create in 5 years if I don't choose this? We are judging all the time. We don't even recognize we are judging. Is there anybody in your life who doesn't have any judgment of you? When I was asked this question, when I heard this question in the class in the beginning, I didn't think, even today, I don't think I can think of anybody who doesn't judge in my world. Can you think of anybody who doesn't judge in your world?
Every choice we make is judged, Kamal. Even, the kind of food we eat is judged by people.
What happened? Oh, बस तुम खोलो दरवाजा तुम्हारे को चलो जाओ फिर नहीं आएंगे बस रहने दो कोई बात तुम्हें मुझे बता रहे थे कि तुम आ गए ओके थैंक यू Oh, it's 9. We go on and on and on and on. Choice में तो we can just go on and on.
Next week also, let's do choice. Such a beautiful topic it is.
Okay. You can specify something also. Choice.
Let's do choice with bodies.
Okay. All right, done.
Thank you so
Everybody
much.
else
Such a
okay with that?
beautiful
Choice
point.
with bodies. Nobody wants to say anything, but okay, we'll decide. Choice with bodies. Okay. Cool. Feels like to me.
क्या पूछा था कमल?
कि अगले का Angela is deciding choice with hi,
Bodies.
there are so many here. And Anil Jain, Falguni, Focus Reiki. I hope it contributed. So the next topic is choice with bodies. We'll welcome you. Please come.
Yes. Acha. Very nice topic.
So we'll have that topic. Let's have 5 days choice with something, 5 times choice with bodies, choice with money, choice with whatever. It is all the same, but it will be fun. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, guys, love you so much. Thank you so much for being
Thank you.
this morning.
Such
And
an empowering call.
now we are going out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice time.
Thank you, darlings. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.